Yeah, I heard everybody talking about this company, and I'm like, man, I gotta get on with them. When I started at Talan, I was pretty much general labor, just learning the presses, learning the operation of the business. I got from point A to point B just dedication and trying to learn the skill and crafting it, and also paying attention to what I was being taught. But, I mean, it took a lot, but I made it. I ended up in access to manufacturing through, I came home from prison in 2020. My career coach, when it was time for me to really start looking for a job or them helping me get a job, he asked me a question that still to the day resonates with me, like, why settle for a job and not a career? And when he said the word career, it just kind of, a light bulb went off. What I would say to somebody going through this is think outside the box and don't give up on yourself. Because I was in that same position. A lot of the reasons I finished the program were not the reasons I started, but as I went through it, I said to myself, well, if I'm gonna do this, I might as well give it the 100% effort. But just don't give up. Think outside the box, and if you put your mind to it, you can do it. The discipline I'm learning through the job will carry on to whatever I do after this. Benefits for me being in this program, for one, my bank account don't go in the negative. I'm able to provide for my family and with my head up. I don't have to hold my head down and be like, well, how I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna do that. I mean, it's not always about money, but it gives me a sense of stability. I can go to work and I got a job to go to, and I love my job. So it gives me that kind of gratitude to say that I got a job to go to. I love my job, and some people can go to work and hate to go to work. I love to go to work. What I like best about my job is being able to help the next person, because somebody had to teach me all of this stuff, and I love that aspect of it, especially when they come to me and ask me to help them. You could come to somebody and might get advice, and if they give you the wrong advice, I know I'm not gonna ask him that question or anything like that no more, because he didn't give me the best advice. I like that they come and get me. I could be running the press and they'll have me stop what I'm doing and come help them. And it's not because I'm the only person to do it, because myself and the other supervisors there, it's just that they like my help. I show support. I came from where they came from, and I came in not knowing none of this stuff. This job and career made a tremendous impact on my life. Like I said, it's taught me a lot. I love what I'm doing. It's new to me. Even though it's been 2.5 years, it's still new to me. I'm still learning, but I feel comfortable where I'm at. When I came through the Access to Manufacturing program, I was kind of skeptical and scared of it, because I'm like, I don't want to fail after coming this far, but man, it's been wonderful for me. I learn something new every day. The sky's the limit. Yeah, the sky's the limit.